Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are all very good. I am Ramesh Sanubaina. I am finance and tax professional. So today I came to a new concept. Okay. For example, Ritvika is my boss. So she given some data like some individual income tax returns client list. But she has worried about the names of clients list is not in order. Like suppose for example Ramesh Verma. So R capital, M also capital. So some spaces is there in between Ramesh Verma, unnecessary spaces. So like that the client list is there. So now she wants to convert in a proper way. So she is my boss. See how it is. So here Ramesh Verma, Pinky Khan, Riya Sangvi, Manish Desai, Hitendra Khan, Bharat Kapoor, Deepesh Assis, Kanan Somya, like this. These are all individual income tax returns client list. Okay. So first she wants these are all names in uppercase. Total all in capital. She wants capital. So now my boss is said, so I am a subordinate of her. So now I am convert these are all things in upper way. Okay. See upper function. So these are all things I converted in upper. Okay. Now this is uppercase. Okay. Next she wants these are all whatever this one na, these are all convert in lowercase. So now I am converted. See, I am giving instruction to the Excel. What instruction? Convert all letters in a text string to lowercase. I am giving the instruction to the Excel. So please convert these letter in lowercase. I am giving the instruction to the Excel. So Excel converts that name in small, all in lowercase. So see, it converted, Excel converted. Okay. So it applied to remaining all things. Yeah. This is the lowercase. Lowercase. Now she wants proper. The name of the first letter of the name comes in capital, remaining all in lower. That's the situation she wants. So now I converted, these are all in proper. So I am giving the instruction to the Excel. This name convert in proper, first letter in a capital, remaining is lowercase. I am giving the instruction to the Excel. So Excel same like the do. Yeah. So Excel converted proper. This is the proper. Next, she wants remove unnecessary spaces in between the name. Okay. So for this I am using the function trim. Trim is the function. So I am giving the instruction to the Excel, convert this thing in remove unnecessary spaces. So Excel converted. This is the trim. This is the trim. Now I am asking my boss, boss, really exactly what you want? First you asked, please convert the name of the clients list in uppercase. Okay, I done. Another thing, you can again you told convert name of the clients list in lowercase. Okay, I done. Next thing you told convert first letter put capital remaining small, like that you told. Okay, done. So again you asked is there any unnecessary spaces, remove that one and convert remove that one. So again I done. Now I asked my boss, boss, exact what you want. So she wants two requirements. One is the name of the word, first letter in capital remaining small, that is the proper, and any unnecessary spaces is there, remove that one. She wants two requirements. So but for the making of these two requirements, I applied one is uppercase, another one is lowercase, and comes in through proper and trim. So lot of functions are used here. 4 functions are used, so it takes lot of time. So are you thinking you want to do reduce your time like these are all things? So I am giving the suggestion, you use proper function and trim function along with simultaneously, like both functions at you one time, then you convert these name at a time. You can come through proper and remove unnecessary spaces. So here I am giving the suggestion to my boss also, Ritvika boss. So with a proper trim function, we can remove unnecessary spaces and the word make through proper. I am giving the suggestion to my boss. So my boss also agreed. So how it is going to happen? See, okay, done. So proper trim, proper, first of all proper. So again you applied trim. Okay, what do you want? This command, like this Ramesh Verma, you want to do apply proper trim function. So I am giving to Excel this command. Okay, this function. So Excel done. It applied to remaining also. Okay, see, did you observe? See here Rahul Misra. So Rahul Misra, print of the letter Rahul before some spaces is there, Misra before Misra some spaces is there. So with proper trim you removed unnecessary spaces and you convert that name in proper, like first letter is capital, another remaining small. So how it is going to happen? Yeah, see, this is the proper trim. Proper trim you can save your time, valuable time. How you enjoy? Please comment your valuable thing in the comment box. Okay, how it is going to? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Okay, thank you.